In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can search for any song on Spotify app. So if you want to find any song, the best way to do it is to go ahead and search for it. If you found this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and look for the search option or search function if you can't find your song on this homepage. So to find it, go ahead and tap on this search. And now you can search for the song either by the artist name or the song name. And for my case, I'll go ahead and search using the artist name. And as you can see, here is the artist. If I go ahead and tap on the artist, you can see all the songs that this artist has on Spotify. And now you can head over to any of these songs and then start listening in without any issue. So that's how you find any song or any artist by searching on Spotify app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, kindly like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.